Hi, I'm Shabaz Khan, founder and director at AK Interiors Designing Pvt. Limited. Today I'm on site at one of our partnership projects here in Ghansoli, Mumbai. This is a 15,000 square foot interior and civil execution project, and we have got just 8 weeks to deliver. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the site and show you exactly what project execution looks like in motion. And why getting it right makes all the difference. When you're working on a project of this scale and timeline, there is no room for guesswork. Every detail, from structural civil works to interior finishes, needs to be coordinated with precision. And that's where the real power of project execution comes in. One of the major phases in the project like this is civil work. This typically includes structural corrections, floor cutting, electrical conduit layout, and other groundwork. Getting this phase right sets the tone for the entire execution journey ahead. Our approach is always phased. Each layer of work is planned and approved before we move to the next. That's how we avoid rework, stay on schedule, and ensure alignment with the design intent. As we move up, interior development takes shape. This includes activities like partition framework, ceiling grids, service integration like electrical and HVAC, and eventually surface finishes. These activities are spread across along the middle week of our timeline, depending on how civil works are progressing below. The key here is coordination. Our teamwork is in sync to ensure no trade overlaps or disrupt the workflow. Whether it's carpentry, air conditioning, electrical, everyone follows a unified execution rhythm. Procurement and material logistics are a silent pillar of good execution. All the materials you see here, boards, wires, pipes, have been quality verified before arrival. Everything is scheduled to arrive just in time, neither too early to block space, nor too late to delay work. This is where our real-time project tracking system makes a big difference. One of the things we have built over the years is an ecosystem of cross-functional teams that understand each other's space and priorities. Our site in charge, engineers, vendors, and specialists, everyone is aligned to one objective: delivering the project without compromise. That's what a focused project execution looks like. Not just managing the work, but managing the process, people, and discipline. We are on second week of this 8-week project, which means every single day matters. We can't afford downtime. We can't afford errors. That's why execution is not a function, it's a mindset. It's about anticipating roadblocks before they appear and responding in real time. Execution is not about being reactive, it's about being proactive. At AK Interiors, that's what we stand for. Whether it's a 1500 square feet branch or a 15,000 square feet build out, our approach stays the same: structured, disciplined, and transparent. If you're looking for a partner who can deliver complex projects with confidence, commitment, and clarity, you have just found them. Thank you for walking the site with me today. And stay tuned because this one is going to be a benchmark. To know more about how we manage multi-scale project execution, visit www.akinteriorsgroup.com or connect with us directly. Let's build together.